Hello everyone, welcome to ICT Training Nepal. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the channel for more support. So today this is the episode 3 of learning to make the e-commerce application by using Laravel 7. So let's go towards the episode 3. And what we have done previously is we have made the backend layout and main, and this is the section. So if you haven't seen my episode 1 and episode 2, please, I would like to say that please see the episode 1 and 2 so that you will understand what these all codes are. So today I'm going to let's go towards our application. And so this is the VS Code, and I'm running the code in the VS Code, and this is the working folder. So I have opened git bash here. You can also open the git bash, or you can open in the command line too if you want to open. So what I'm going to do is php artisan serve to serve this in the localhost. And I would also like to see is they running Xampp is running or not. Xampp is not running, so let's open the Xampp too. Okay, the Xampp control panel is all the database MySQLs and the other thing other also can be run by using the Xampp. You can just see here that what others can be run by using the Xampp. So I'm clicking it. It may take some time, so let's move forward to the lesson. Okay, so let's go towards the code. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, here this is these all are documents. You can see the documents of Laravel 7. So let's move towards the localhost. Okay, localhost. Okay, so here is the Laravel. Okay, so we have already done the login things, we have already done the register things. So we are going to make here is e-commerce from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to, so this is the episode 3. I would like to say that this is the episode 3, and you have to go through the episode 1 and 2 to know all the things. And we are using you can go to the dashboard, and okay, not found, DASH. so what happens is when we are calling to the dashboard, so I would like to say again that I am going through each and every step, and I am trying to make you understand each and everything in Laravel. Okay, so what this is, when I have routed, or when I have called by slashing the dashboard, what will happen is it will call the route. Okay, so it will call the route dashboard, and it will show what is the function in the dashboard. Okay, so we have this. First of all, what we have to do is we have to connect all the CSS in the dashboard. Okay, so that it can be easily visible. Okay, so let's go towards it. And first of all, what previously we have done in, we have added all the things at the public folder. So you can just see in the public folder, you can just go to the public, and here is in admin backend I have just added all of the things. So admin backend, okay, admin backend, all the things in here, the build, everything, the CSS, the images, everything is in the build. Okay, so in the admin backend, so we have everything in the public folder. Okay, you have to make sure that everything is in the public folder, which I have copied, and you can also see my previous video to know that. And let's go towards the web folder. Okay, so in web, sorry, this is the console one. Okay, in web, so this is the main. So by the way, I have not uploaded it into the GitHub till now because we are in the first page. So after completing some of the episode or some phase, I will upload it to the Git too, so that you can interact with the code also. So this is the main, and they are calling the main from this route. Okay, so from this route they are calling the main, and that is why the main is showing. So let's go towards this main, and let's see that. And we have also used the blade templating so that it will be easy for us, like the website backend layouts, footer, so everything we have included. So for the visual of the CSS and JavaScript and everything, what we have to do is we have to like go to the head first, and let's create it. So let's connect this bootstrap to our folder. Okay, so let's do like, so it may seems boring, okay, but I want to make sure every step, so that so you can go and follow like what I am doing, and you can follow the code also. So in asset, what will happen when the asset when we call the asset, and we have this two things called this is the mustache bracket, like we can just call it that the mustache. So the double mustache I have used, so it is because the blade template will know that after using this, the blade template will know that we have to do something in here. Okay, so, or we have to put something in here. Okay, so let's go towards the asset, and when we call the asset, what will happen is it will go to the public. Okay, it will call the public. So we have everything in the admin backend. Okay, so we have everything in the admin backend. So let's put here admin backend, and everything is everything is the same because we have copied the same things. So let's copy this one and cut this one, just put it here, and the done. Okay, so same things we have to do here. Asset, and then admin backend, and then just cut it from here and paste it here. You have to delete this one also. Okay, so don't forget to delete that. Okay, and again just asset and admin backend, and then just cut it and paste it. Okay, so other one is like here also asset and like admin backend. So what why I'm doing this is I'm going to make ready. This is also the setup of the environment. So we have not started the CRUD functions and all the things. We have just first of all merging the backend, and also we'll be merging the front end with this, so that it will be easy for us to work with the CRUD application. Okay, so okay, let's cut here, let's paste it here. Okay, done. Another one is here too. Let's asset. Okay, here admin backend, okay, asset. Don't forget to put the admin backend or any folder you have made, admin backend, and then just cut from here and paste it and then delete these things. Again, let's do the same here. Asset, please follow along with me to know the code. Admin backend, and just cut from here and paste it. Okay, everything is okay here. So this custom also, let's do the same. Asset admin backend, and then just cut from the build and paste it here and just save it. Okay, and save it. Okay, so in the first thing we have done it. So in image also, if you want to put the image also, you can do the same like I have done in image things also. So these things done. So the in the front in the head, what we have done here is we have linked all the things with this one with here. Okay, so we have linked all the path with the public. So in the script file also, in the last foot section, we have to do the same thing. So okay, here's a lot of things. Okay, so what I'll do is asset and then and then backend, and I'll do this, and what I'll do is just this is admin backend. Okay, so I'll just first of all copy it and I'll just paste it here also, 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 and here 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 and here. So if you may be confused what you have to do, if there is a link, you don't have to do anything, just leave it what it have all been. Okay, so no problem. If there is link, you don't have to do asset or these things. If there is a link like www.something.com, so if you are trying to copy, or you are trying to copy from the link, or you are trying to seed or the Java sheet or anything, so you don't have to worry for that. You don't have to do this if you have done directly. Okay, so if you have used the CDN, you don't have to do these things. Okay, so if there is a file, you have to do these things. If there is not a file and there is a CDN of the website, then you don't have to do anything, you have to keep it as it is. Okay, so don't forget that things. That's the thing. So let's do it. We are near to make out. Okay, sorry, what happened? Control Z, just cut one, just paste it here, and okay, so I have just copied. Okay, sorry for that. So let's do here too. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. What will happen is, if you subscribe the channel, it will be the great support. And nowadays it's hard to get like subscriber, right? It's hard to get a subscriber. It's hard to be exist in the YouTube. So I'm doing this for the educational purpose. I am doing this to educate the people easily, and I am doing this to educate the people freely, easily, without any charge. without anything. So you just need to do is you just need to subscribe it for more video update. And if you are from Nepal, then it is very useful for you. I mean to say that if you are from any country, it will be used for you. And but especially if you are from Nepal, I have done a lot of Nepali video which made you, if you are the software, if you are the IT guy, and it will be easy for you to know about the software engineering and all other things. And I have uploaded all the lectures video of the software engineering and related ones, so please don't forget to see that. And if you are from any other country also, for you also I have made the videos in English too, so please don't forget to subscribe the page or subscribe the channel. And also you can follow in the Facebook page, and the first Facebook page is given below. And also you can watch more videos, and it is given below. Also you can watch the Laravel 6 video which I have uploaded previously, and it have the playlist also. You can just watch that also for your reference, and it will be easy for you. And this one, the e-commerce, what I am making is the e-commerce, and for this one I am going through the every scratch. Okay, so I am going through all of like the normal person, or like the normal IT guy trying to make the like e-commerce application. So I will pretend like I am just also a beginner like you, and I will make sure for you that it will be easy for you how to search if there any problem comes out, and how to solve the problems. So it will be easy for you. So please don't forget to like the page, share the page to your friends if your friends are interested in the Laravel or any other web development platforms. So let's go through it. Let's cut it and let's paste it there. So it's very easy, but it's very much time consuming to like cut all other things and paste it. Okay, so and okay, this also I have done it. So this also let's paste it. Okay. Okay, so and another okay, this has been done. Okay, admin backend. Okay, so everything is done here. So let's reopen those pages and let's see the differences. Okay, we have done it, right? Okay, everything is fine here. Okay, maybe the form this is not running, maybe because some JavaScript code is not like running, or maybe something is not running here. Let's see towards the page source. Let's go towards the upper ones. Yes, everything is right. Okay, let's see here. Okay, CSS, every CSS is fine. Okay, so every CSS is working fine. I'm cutting all the things. Let's go towards the JS. Okay, so I think there is something mistake. Okay, the mistake, I have found the mistake. Okay, jQuery is not running, right? So let's see those So every mistake, okay, everything I'm here to solve one. Okay, so this is from the scratch. So and you can also see here we can use the FileZilla from here, Mercury and the Tomcat. Okay, so what I have shared you for previously. So these things is done. Okay, let's see, let's refresh it again. Okay, it should be running. Okay, done. Okay, we have done it, right? Okay, let's make some front-end page. Okay, we want to make some front-end page. Okay, localhost. So this is the front-end page. Let's integrate the front-end page too. Let's go towards the front end and let's mix a layout folder. Layouts. Oh, sorry. Layouts. Let's make head.blade.php. Let's make food.blade.php. Let's make main.blade.php. Let's make header.blade.php. Let's make another one, footer.blade.php. Okay, so in the main page what I'm going to do is like I'm going to copy this public. I have uploaded in the front-end folder, so I'm going to copy this index file here. I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to paste it into the main file, right? So main of the front end. Okay, I mean this thing is also very long. Okay, let's see. So we have the head here and we have the footer here. I don't know why the dog is barking outside. Something happened here too. So I think dog is also trying to say that please subscribe the channel, Okay, let's see. Okay, here is the header one. What I'm going to do is just got this one and just say include, and you know the code, right? Head. So front end website dot in, so dot layouts dot head. So here what I'm including is like I'm going to include the layout, front ends and head. Okay, so please don't forget that the thing that I'm calling the head one. So this is from the view. Okay, so this side include means this side it will call from the view, and in the include there is a website, there is a front end and there is a layout called head. Okay, so I'm going to cut and then paste here, and I'm going to do the same like which we have done previously. So what I will do like is set and just this one, and I think we have the front end here. Okay, so not cut here, so front end here, and first of all let's copy this one to all of the half. Okay, so let's paste it here, and here too, and here too, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Okay, so now cool, this done, right? Okay, so let's code this one too, and let's code this one and paste it in the front end. Let's code this one too and paste it in the front end. Let's code this one too and paste it in the front end. Let's code this one too and do things it's like okay. So I need to tell you again that please subscribe my channel. So I have told you many times. So the thing is like it is like this asset we are calling, we are just what we are just showing the URL. Okay, so we are just showing the path. Okay, so and want to say that we are calling, we are just showing the path. Okay, so in her what we are doing, like we are showing the path, and when page will open it will call from the public front end asset CSS stick. Okay, so now what we are doing, we are just pointing the path, and after that what will happen is when we say the asset you must have to put the folder in the public. Okay, so that the asset will recognize. So please don't forget that it is the rule. Okay, so if you say sometimes you also said like why I'll put in the public only, I could have been put all other things in everywhere. So what happens is if you put everything is in everywhere without any and giving path from anywhere to anywhere where, so it will be like it will not be like working on the framework. Okay, so the working of the framework is working in the systematic way with easiness. Okay, so working in the systematic way with easiness for like for the speed, for the performance. So that you have to know that what is the things happen. So this is the main part. Okay, so I think there is some error, maybe or may not be, I don't know why it is showing like everything is right. Okay, yeah, have you shown any wrong here? Everything is okay or not? Okay, let's assume that everything is okay. Maybe or may not be because it's the code. Okay, here there is a problem. Okay, so what we have to do is you have to look it. Okay, so that you will know the thing. Okay, so why we use the ID, it's all because it will be easy for us to recognize where is the some type of mistake, and this also bottom, and this of the this color combination, so it will be easy for us. Okay, so that's why we use the ID for the better performance. So the head thing is done. Let's go to the main again. Let's go to the header. If here is a header, okay, here is a header class. Let's cut this header, we don't want. Okay, include website dot front end dot layouts dot header. So let's go here by clicking Control and just pressing the mouse button. So let's paste it here, the header section. So we don't need to do anything here, I guess so, because this is for the first time, maybe. Let's see. Okay, header also done. So this is the main section. Okay, so we can also migrate this section to the other one. So if you want to make one nav also you can make it. Okay, so for now I haven't made, but let's see, we can make it in the next tutorials according to the demand. Okay, so what the demands, so according to the demands we will be changing our code frequently, don't worry for that. So let's cut it all the JS file and let's include the website.frontend.layouts.foot, and you'll see that why you are not using footer. So I have already said you, if there is a demand of that, I will also use that things also. So for now I'm using the foot. We can also change the footer to another one name if there is a demand. So first of all, let's make the same here, asset, and let's do like from the front front info. Okay, so let's copy this one. First of all, let's copy all these things. Okay, let's copy this, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, again paste it here, paste it here, again paste it here, 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 and 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 paste it here. Okay, so these things we have done, and let's copy this one, let's cut this one. Okay, so paste it here, let's delete this, let's go to here and let's cut this one and paste it here, and let's cut all of the things. So cut, paste it here, and delete all those things. So cut, paste, and delete all those things. So cut it here and paste and delete all those things. So cut here and paste it here and delete all those things. So cut here and paste it here and delete all those things. And again same, you can do like it, same to same, deleting this. Okay, sometimes what happens is by deleting the curly braces, it will be hard. Okay, and it will show the error if you delete one side of the curly braces. So paste it here, do it, you can do it, so you can program it. So don't underestimate of the power of yourself, because you can do the programming. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to follow along with me. Okay, so you have to follow with me, you can absolutely do the programming, you can make it. Okay, so for the making, what we have to do is you have to follow with me, and once you are good at the Laravel, you can just use it anywhere you want to. You also can go for the interview for the job of the Laravel, and you can make the application for your own and show them. So anything you can do it if you are the IT student. Nowadays it's very hard to get a job. Okay, so be careful with that. And when the people get frustrated by the all of the errors, so they usually shift it. And let's see my channel. Let's see the growth of my channel too. And please don't forget to like, share the channel. Let's make front end. Let's cut this one here and paste here, and again let's like asset and here front end, and then let's cut here. So done. So what we have done is, if you haven't known it, then let me know you that this is the all of the things are the beginning. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going through the beginning. Okay, so I'm going through the first step, or by integrating those things. So we have integrated it, and let's show. So how to show it? Let me show you. Like, first of all, where we have to go is we have to make one route. So for this one, welcome, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to the like website dot front end dot welcome. Okay, not welcome, layouts dot main. So let's see the differences. So let's see. Okay, come on, it is loading. Come on. Okay, so what we have done is we have just done. So this image, because we haven't used same thing as image, so it hadn't came. So we have integrated the front end, we have integrated the back end. So for today, this much for now. So if you have any kind of question, you can just comment below up to now. So the other thing is, in the next episode, all these episodes up to now, what we have done is we have just made one environment. Okay, so in the next session, what we're gonna do is like we're gonna make the CRUD, we're gonna know about the model, view and controllers. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching the video, and share the channel as much as possible. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode. Thank you.